Hey, happy Memorial Day weekend to everybody, one and all, and welcome to my proving grounds. Now, I don't know exactly what header we're going to be using this as: informal IT, PowerShell Lab, Bash Lab, Linux After Dark. It doesn't really matter. Uh, Let me just pull up TeamViewer window that I got connected over to this Zorin system here. Now, I'm going to do something here which most people don't do. I'm going to install PowerShell on Linux. Now, Zorin is Ubuntu based, so I'm going to go with this and see where it leads me. Now, originally, I was going to try to just go and do the installation via package repository and that sort of stuff, but there's a lot of stuff here, and the more I'm looking at it, the more annoying and confusing it gets. I did see a couple of other YouTube videos where people were going through the repository, and some people were erroring out, and others weren't, and they weren't following the order of the script that was written here by Microsoft. But then I saw something down here, and we're going to try to see if we can just do a direct download and installation. So, first come, first serve. We're going to follow with a little something here. I'm just going to open up the terminal, and we'll go from there. Let's see. Abilities, scroll down, and there's the terminal. And I do happen to like this white terminal as opposed to some of the other terminals that you see on other flavors of Linux. So let me just put everything in here, and I'm just gonna do a little cut and pasting because I'm a slow typist. I'm pretty sure I already did the updates, but you know what? Why not? Let's get that out of the way. Yep. Paste. And going? Is it going? It looks like something's going. Still going. And more package lists, and it's going pretty quick. Okay, that's done. Now we're gonna actually do a portion right here. And I get, there goes. That was quick. Now we're gonna get from the GitHub page and download what we need. I don't need everything. I just need. That's all of it. So copy, and we're gonna paste that over here. Hit it. Look at it go. Look at it go. It's pretty quick. I could have actually just paused and done all this, but this is part of my fun, so I'm going with it. Time to install the packages. So paste, and let's do this. Goes. Okay, looks like that part's done. And let's just resolve any missing dependencies. Yeah, why not? Let's do that. I actually just install the stuff and then forget anything that might be important. So, see if it finds anything. Okay, it found some stuff. Okay, upgraded, installed, removed, not ungraded, not upgraded. Okay, we'll figure that out. I'm not deleting anything just yet. So, the it says PowerShell LTS. Let's just see if I just do PowerShell, see what happens. I'm in PowerShell. So that's pretty cool. I guess I'm in. Okay, that's anticlimactic, but I'm not about to actually do any random PowerShell coding right off the bat here. Uh, Let me do some research and see what I can and cannot do in Linux, because certain things that I know that I can do in PowerShell in Windows may or may not work. So for now, the installation is done. Let the fun begin. Night all.